Hey, good morning, guys. X is dropping. Euro USD just shifting into a bullish trend after this deeper correction downside. This is our HPL. This is what I'm targeting for. I was waiting for a deeper correction in this, but right now we don't have any setup. If the price managed to create a new high from this level, in that case, I will get a setup. But for now, there is nothing. GBP USD. Same story for GBP USD. After this corrective phase down, we're again shifting into a bullish environment. We're just bouncing from the discounted price region into a bullish trend. This is the setup that I was monitoring from last London close. We can spot a clean sweep, breakout structure leaving fair value gaps. So what I'm waiting for a corrective phase down, and I'm planning a long at around this level. Let's see how the London session unfolds. AUD USD, we just created a new higher high in daily time frame, so there is nothing in intraday perspective. Okay, I was monitoring this setup, but I failed to execute that because that was this setup was unfolding during the midnight hours. We're beautifully bouncing from a discounted price region below 38.2 into a bullish environment, and here you can easily spot this that sweep and this breakout structure. And then price corrected back all the way to a OTE level on this move. USD JPY, it's sharply dropping. Our bias was bullish in the beginning of the week for UJ, but right now we're looking for uh, towards downside. This is the last breakout structure towards downside, and we are currently trading below 50 MA, so we can still look for shorts towards downside. I'm just waiting for a setup here. We don't have any clear sweep of liquidity. We have something at around this level, but this is not that clear. So I'm just waiting for a setup so that I can look for a short right in USD JPY. USD CAD. Okay, in USD CAD, we're dropping from a premium price region into a bearish market, and we are targeting towards this low. This is our HPL, and I spotted this setup, sweep of liquidity, then breakout structure, leaving fair value gap, but price corrected back all the way higher just to fill the fair value gap, and then stopped. I was planning for a short around this level, but we just need to wait for a little price action to unfold because there is no setup right now. I'm just going to monitor it and let's see how it unfolds. USD CHF, same story. We are dropping from a premium price range above 38.2. And right now I'm just looking for short so that we can target towards this low. There is no clean setup right now, but if price managed to give me something like this, in that case I can start planning for shorts from a OT level. Gold, okay, we are targeting for this high obviously in short term. In long term, we're targeting for the all-time high. We're currently bouncing from a discounted price region of this daily impulsive move. Uh, in 1 hour, I don't have any clear trade setup right now, even though, oh no, this is not a clean setup at all. I'm just gonna wait for a little more clearer price action in this one so that I can start looking for longs. Let's wait because we don't have any clear setup. I was waiting for a deeper correction, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen because we are very near to this HPL, and it's highly possible that we're going to trade above this high within the next London and NY session. So let's see how it unfolds. Okay, Euro GBP. I was looking for shorts initially in this one because price was trading below the 50 EMA, but right now we are just closing above the 50 EMA in daily time frame, and so I'm just considering this impulsive leg. We can see we are just bouncing from 38.2 right now, and we can start looking for longs. I can spot this setup here, a liquidity sweep, and then a breakout structure towards upside. I will be waiting for a deeper correction down so that I can start looking for longs. I'm gonna set my alert at around this level, and let's see how it unfolds. Okay, now Euro AUD was one of the highest probability setup for the week. I was like I was waiting. I posted my idea last session when price was somewhere around here, but I was expecting a little more upside correction before we start dropping. At least I was expecting price to clear this internal range, buy side liquidity before it started to drop. But look what happened. Price beautifully rejected the 50 EMA, respected it, and we cleared the HPL that we was targeting. So there is nothing in this one right now, and this HPL is cleared. So this is our new daily impulsive leg. I will be waiting for a deeper correction towards the premium level so that we can start looking for shorts again. Perfect. I'll be waiting for price to again go into a premium level so that we can start looking for short setup again. Euro JPY. JPYs are dropping. Uh, we are currently below this level, so we're not going to look for longs right now. We can simply look for shorts, and this is our HPL. We're currently trading below 38.2, so there is no clean setup in 1 hour. I will be waiting for a clean setup so that I can look for short towards this low. Euro CHF. I'm gonna still wait for it. I'm gonna wait for price to go into a premium range and then give me a setup. So that's a skip. Okay. I should definitely get add this in my watch list. Okay, EuroCAD. EuroCAD is just stock, and better if we just skip it. Okay, Euro NZD. I was looking for short in this one, and looks like we have missed a lot of setups here, like this week, just by few points. Like, look at this. I was waiting for price to correct towards this high, this entry price, but then we just started dropping from this level. I'm still looking for shorts in Euro NZD, and I am targeting towards this low. This is my HPL overall. Okay, let's make it clean. Okay, we are dropping from a premium price region into into a bearish market. So do we have any minor setup over here? Yeah, I can spot a setup, but I don't know either it will play out or not. This is a beautiful sweep of liquidity during the market opening hours for the day. We can expect something like this, but it is not that high probable, honestly, because this move actually failed to create a breakout structure. This is just an internal range, and it's possible that we're going to trade above it. So I'm not going to consider this one. I'll be waiting for price to show me a deeper correction towards upside around this level before we start looking for shorts. Right now, I'm just going to keep this in my eyes for. And let's see what's going on in GJ. GJ just managed to create a new breakout structure towards the downside. So this is our new range. I'm down by 1 hour in GJ this week. Let's see if we find any new setup in this one. I'm going to wait for a deeper correction upside so that we can start looking for longs. I missed so many setups. Like I missed two high probability setup this week. Look at this. GCAD. GCAD is one of them. The price actually get triggered during the midnight session before the Asian session opened. So I was thinking there is no chance that I'm gonna get involved into the trade. But then during the London session, price went all the way up at around entry price and then sharply dropped towards TP. So yeah, that's a good play. That's a good play that I missed this week. And another play was in GBP and ZD. We was into already into we was into a premium price region into a bearish market, and then I spotted this liquidity sweep. Even during the last scanning session when price was here, I was like thinking either I can take this trade or not, and I decided to take this trade only if price managed to close below this low, but I failed to execute it properly. So these are the two trades that I missed this week, and unfortunately, that's a little painful because we missed around 6 hour, and I'm already down by 1 hour for the week. So let's see how. Okay, I have already an open position in NZD CHF, and that's playing out pretty good. It's up by around 0.5 hour right now. Okay, AUD CAD, we are currently into an expansion phase, and I'm gonna wait for a deeper correction downside. Mm, okay, there is nothing. AUD CHF, yep, price just missed our entry by few pips, and right now we're still gonna look for longs, but this is our new structure. A sweep of liquidity, a sweep of liquidity, breakout structure, and we can look for longs from this OT level. AUD NZD, we are just too much extended towards upside. AUD JPY. We are into very discounted price region in AUD JPY. JPYs are dropping, and I don't think I'm gonna look. I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour setup in this one. There is nothing clean. The environment is completely bearish for now, and I will be waiting for a breakout structure towards upside before I start looking for longs in this one. NZT CAD, I will be waiting for a deeper correction into a discounted price region or into a bullish market. NZT CHF, I'm gonna hold this position. We're beautifully rejecting from the OT level and daily time frame, and it's highly possible that we're gonna keep moving towards upside to clear this high. So let's see how it unfolds. NZD JPY just cleared this low, so we have a complete new structure. We're still above 50 EMA, so I'm going to consider this move. And let's see if we find any long setup now because we're currently into a discounted price region. I'm not considering this breakout structure because we're currently above 50 EMA in daily time frame. So I'm going to look for any last bullish breakout structure. So this is the last bullish breakout structure towards upside. CAD CHF. I have my pending order around this level. I'm looking for short. This is a clean sweep of liquidity then breakout structure. Overall, we are currently dropping from a premium price range. And I'm targeting towards this low. Okay, CAD JPY, same story. The storyline is completely changed right now. Here, this is not the last breakout structure at all. It's a little bit confusing because price actually paid to create a new higher high, and right now we're strongly impulsing towards downside. I'm just gonna keep this in my watch list. Let's see how it unfolds. Okay, CHF JPY. We're into a bullish market right now, and this is what we can target for. To drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, I'm gonna wait for a long setup so that I can um, target towards this high. BTC USD nothing. Okay, guys, that's it for the session. I'm gonna actively monitor GBP USD for the session because I have my pending order around this level. I'm looking for longs in GBP. I'm looking for longs in GBP USD. I also have a pending order in CAD CHF maybe. Yep. Yep. I'm looking for shorts in CAD CHF, and I'm holding my NZD CHF long position. So yeah, that's it for the session. I'm gonna keep these pairs. It's more like I'm gonna wait for multiple setups to unfold. Many things are not that clear right now, and I will be also waiting for this NZD Euro NZD setup to unfold. Let's see how it unfolds. I'll be monitoring price action at around this level because this looks like a swip, but it doesn't look like a. It more looks like an internal range liquidity to me. So let's see how it unfolds, guys. So yeah, that's it for the session. Looks like I'm getting some internet issue. So see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.